Jack was a young man who lived in New York City. He worked as a delivery man. He loved his job because it allowed him to see different parts of the city and meet new people every day. Jack lived in a small apartment, and he was very proud of his home. One day, he received a package from his mother, who lived in Los Angeles. When he opened it, he found a beautiful painting of the New York City skyline. He was so thrilled with the gift that he decided to hang the painting in his living room. He loved to show off his painting to his friends who came to visit him. His mother dreamed of visiting New York, but she didn't have the money to pay for the trip. Jack knew that he had to make his mother's dream come true. So, he saved money and sent her to buy a ticket. She finally came to New York to visit him. They saw all of the famous landmarks, ate at some of the best restaurants, and even took a boat tour around the city. Jack's mother was very happy and grateful for the experience. And he was proud to be able to show her the city that he loved so much.